New Goyard bag! Very different from anything I've ever gotten. Where am I GoyardGang it? Let's do a quick Goyard haul. Goyard Paris. Yay! Okay, new bag. Nothing I've ever bought before. New Goyard bag. Let's do it, okay? So this quick Goyard unboxing, okay? And story time. Where am I GoyardGang it? Where am I GoyardGang it? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique. And today we are doing a quick new Goyard bag. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique. And today we're doing a quick Goyard unboxing. Goyard. Okay, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing. Keep on watching. New Goyard bag that I've never gotten before. So this is a different bag than I've ever gotten. So I went to Paris last month and you know, new year, so allowed to get as many bags as I want for the new year. I think that everything is fine now. I'm pretty good standing. I have just a quick Goyard update. I think my Goyard Guru this and Goyard status is now okay. So anyway, this was something. So now that I'm like, you know, I'm trying to become a more professional YouTube TikToker and slowly phase out of my other job and also kind of go back into acting, focus more on acting. I wanted something cool that was professional for people to take me seriously. That's not that's not like a, you know, screams $10, $20, $30,000 Birkin bag. So this is the new Munchkin in classic black. It's the Goyard briefcase. I think would be great for carry-on travel, luggage travel, and just like just to look a little more official, right? So it's the Goyard briefcase in the big size. It'll fit both my computers. It's got these handles, and then you have to buy an extra strap, which I did. Obviously, it's still more affordable in Paris. I think it was like $3,000 versus I'm sure it's like 35 or 4 in the US. I don't know the exact price in the US. It's got one button pocket in the front for, you know, whatever you need, anything you need here. These are adjustable, so you can make them longer if you want. So you want more strap length, maybe to like, you know, if you wanted to get it over your shoulder, which I think at the larger setting, let's see. The like attention to detail and like the design and everything is very nice. The leather trims are nice. Like everything's very well made. It's Goyard. We love Goyard. We know we love Goyard. Okay. And so let's just see. I'll do that. Okay. So now you can see that one is longer than the other. If I wasn't wearing the sweater, this would easily fit over, okay? I'm gonna do this too on this side just so it's even. Ah, come on! Okay. Now it's longer, and then crossbody strap, and then, oh, inside it's got one big compartment, and then this back thing, probably for computer, and it's got a button closure there, and then a little key ring for your keys or whatever you want, and then a big open compartment on this side for all your other things. Strap was extra, another $500. The options were canvas or leather. I think the leather looks a little more professional, and it also comes with this little like shoulder thing, and then it's got 2 hooks on either side to there and there, so you can wear it over the shoulder, right? Comme ça, as a true messenger. Probably crossbody it too, but it's gonna be a little tight. There are more settings to make it a little longer. So you could go a little longer. More settings to go a little longer, so you could make it longer. What do you guys think? Do we love it? Coming to a professional meeting near you. Me and you coming to a professional meeting near you. Okay, anyway, that's it. Yay! Okay, thank you guys. All right, that's all I got, I think. I also got one more thing monogrammed and one more wallet for Andrew under my account, but I'm not gonna do that because he already has it. But I'm gonna go back next month and get a few more things. Anyway, so that's all I got. Goyard Guru here for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Another Goyard unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemy exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. See you in the next one, baby.